issues to do with our transfer grants, issues to do with our incremental credit, issues to do with our car maintenance allowance, and so on and so forth, have not been responded to positively by the Ghana Education Service, the Ministry of Education, and then Ministry of Finance. One other issue that we realize is that the issue has gone to the Labour Commission, and every time that the Labour Commission invited the parties, especially the Ministry of Finance, they have refused to make appearance. The last meeting was on Wednesday last week, and on that day, all the various parties were subpoenaed by the Labour Commission. Once again, the Ministry of Finance refused to attend that meeting, and yet the Ministry of Finance gives directives to the Ghana Education Service without recourse to our ministry, and decisions are being taken that are affecting teachers negatively. As we speak, in September 2014, over 5,000 teachers' names have been taken off payroll, and no one seems to be concerned, just because the Ministry of Finance gave directives to the Ghana Education Service to take those names off the payroll. We have embarked on an industrial action. As from tomorrow, teachers in this country have decided to lay down their tools. We know there is already an ongoing strike. It fits in absolutely. The ongoing strike by the 12 labor unions includes that of the teacher unions. In addition to that, we have announced our own strike. What it means is that if the issues are not resolved, and the forum calls off its strike today, the teachers within the country will remain on strike. But we do not know the case they've sent to court in the first place to know whether we have a good case or a bad case. When we get to know the case they've sent to court, we will respond appropriately. Absolutely, we are ready to meet government in court anytime, any day.
Say abines or the court. Now so yansanka rate of summons no. It is a summons neba yanso yedi yene abine ebedi. Sesi amene okase say yansaka summons na. There were 21 days within which we can file an appearance. And so we have our lawyers in place. We are ready to battle the issue in court. If that is the only way by which we can resolve the issue, any problem. Ne omuni say emrano eda edipefe say issues aye pensions no aye employer and the employee, and say you make sure say you fund manager be manage it here too no, and then ya te ho ya te atua if the best way and say aban be kokota yensan kan summons nintino yentumi nkan wansa bebre na yensa kan na mom ye emoyehu kra emoyehu ensheki yan afe na agro no kra be de ya hyase na ye kan akire ye nkrofo nyina se omoma no emomu kra omunyina pintin na afe na ya hyase ye beku akusi se adepa bi be free soro aba sanete se asane o court dia na yenso atifie ye nya adwuma e close down all schools near close down all hospitals, judicial service and Yajuma, Oko ministries are a closer members in Yajuma. This are by things court necessary to resolve it as a fine. It is a 1 year and as a no quarter. Send yet if ye near Cressed Ghana Bisiako.
Well, Adam, Ajay, Medawase, but I just wanted to the positive aspect of it, number 5, because Medawase, Adam, Ajay, or when you walk out, say, Chairman, who's a heapa? We say, he borrowed this place. I say, Debbie, you know, say, okay. Well, if it's made in Common, say, Honorable Sedu, I'm also be any, Matissa, presiding member, and no, or resign. Into Bomodiana could you know as presiding member. And then I can Papa Crat, also friend your my Cosuna, Nadia or Sumsa to our reason. But Ubeti Miakasa on 0302 211701 up to 4. Now you be at me, Akoso. Lookman, Marchen, Akosia to Asumano, Lookman. Lookman, I'm watching Wakwaba. Akosia, yo, Umpomuya dear.
Adom Yankopo said no more register no what the macamo.
Sir. Yo, my too.
You must sorry, you know, children.
You too.
But Yamopa,
I just
my Henry Pabinasante. I want the old country I want.
David. Come here, I want you.
Oh, my Henry, Mammy Cham, Namin Santia will be Namin Fantia and Chia Memfama Adodente, Nana Abotresini, Adodanko Kufuado, Bema Bano. Aha, one of the 160 president, you did that, so I can solve the I mean, what for ye. Now, Akosia.
Papa, me too.
Ohe a choir, a bind, opposite Sina, what this uncle for labor in a vocal court here. It's a question of be more a bind a battery. No one can just say the all yellow, what the big gun of what the other could do. Masa the abana ye who na masa more yen and grafo would be an amakamano to never my year form for the more per se and yanka. Musuna Muyan and Grafo Muna Muka, a cover beer, yes, baby at ye. No more jaika, no more per se. Yes,
I buy so who quine.
So no,
I buy so who quine so no so cocoa or tin and once was in you or cocoa.
Who is there a brand a teacher in a more friend or no cassette? What is our mind was your persistent on we get the court or back on the also a worker 20.
Also, back court, yeah.
I said, Yan, a bed at the same. And today, in a bino corner, 1 year, Sunday will your person court, and or corporate security a day.
All right, you better was say, said the Messia catcher, Anyasu, a year Bequai, baby, any Anyasu Bequai district, you know, PM, Honorable Ajay Nana Kwasia SE form. I'll say, Mamaki can crack Honorable Assembly member, thank you for cooperating with me as PM. I appreciate your efforts during Assembly discussion. I have enjoyed working with you, but I tender in my resignation letter this day, 27th of October, for administrative and personal reasons. Thank you. You know, Moabedaho, they are one of the youngest assembly. Hey, or not Nipa Bondin also. What was I do? Nakrata, we haven't told Krata, we haven't told that. I don't want country me.
I said, no, I did 2 years, so I resigned. Yes, we had yet to. Now, yes, my man's living now on fine. I was say, yeah, yet 2 of what you want to be my Guadana, mine, or yes, yes, for dinner. It will be next week, 10 days later, here for 2 abano. But I don't remember. We in the college.
I don't can be.
The pushing me. We are a campaign, man. I got 2 abano. And you put that Facebook. Now I'm the presiding member of the DNA House of the Quiet.
I see. The youngest assembly band.
I good for young for Madam Marshman. If you are the presiding member. Oh, the DNA House of the Quiet. I don't see you there with it. Oh, boy, I will suit and couldn't be why the boat you are don't be on the way and win that.
That was it.
Malanka, me abe kakra, with a message to me for. We'll be careful, Cocoa, and interest, Nippon or Tile. It's another answer of Ratia. Pinches, you could go coffee. We are, would be for what did to me. Well, I am to know what it's a matter of the asset. And I buy a can. Ministers, no more, be also sick of you. Young Quan, the Omocas and Lasse. I will say to Muslim, and I so much the Muslim no more count the asset. Oh, yeah, to be a sick of me. And I want to know, so want to know forever. What can I do of the best? And I say, or very time, also. I'll be Genesika. It's a threat. I'm from Quadrin Dream now, or Moana, a teacher for no, do but be a strike and no money you want to do.
Okay. Yeah, that's a pure city. Yeah, we should well. Or corporation will be your presiding member, and you also be quiet. Say a honum, so you said the Yamebe at the amount. Yeah, that's a power. Mamma Cosson Council down for diabetes and a mixture. Adarama, the better say, Kutia or CCA, or yes, Yadia, we are a team and watching the Abiana T Pile. And I say, Akuma Bopper Peria, Jamaica Caribbean, better never ball, Quanso, Cosocra. Because you're still like a crowd of person, no Casa.
Hello, Sule.
Kusiam Pacho Moedi.
And Yamiadom, now sway.
Kusiam Pacho, no, we are having a Casino Kusia.
Oh, okay. I have in my ATO.
Kusiam Srama, Deba could be a hammer, I think I say Catcheremo. With the Biana Mokodia, or best GVI. Timestra Romans, command in Covenant, and Jamon Kachemu producers, the two Ramudi, Ramokakrawai.
And when a day.
I was never and Kessa me and I said, we do that year in Chile. A true Robert Peki, so I won't know my Sankato. Robert Peki,
I said dinner a fry, you know. And yes, David, I mean, yes, I'm Mushada.
Granted, you know, also Mushada.
David, I'm going to Mushada.
Oh, ba, no one ba. Oh, to me, Shadan Castle or Castle, David.
Yes,
yes, I you.
My told me come on mobile demand department, Papa, and some Chabuna original minister. On the deputy private Zuma for mobile. I'm trying to be nice to teach my family with you in the light of my I know. And just a view pine about 2 about a month of a palm on the Buendy Patino. Could you add to the Biobiani channel? Many of mine here, you're best party too. I am for your Moko strike here and then. Just say, you know, Mutan, I'm I do Mokana. Just say, some class, Namco Chade, Mount Granity classroom, more on the street side. Well, when a 2 p.m. was on move for a Ghana for being someone just there. And yes, I could believe that. And a pension is on. What's here from one uncle comedy? Here from one uncle comedy, so for this kind of amount of water there. Kana private bank na fama banko to aye mu bi ati say MPP bank na na fama mo kwato ati ka ba di obi skada bo ayin ko na sante o gobi skada GCB ati say e ko e sa ban na fadi ki e be so mu nyan to bo ati me da me ta ban ti party wa yin o de o makokot e da bo pa no mu nda ta ai temu bi na me da ko strike no ma ha yo ni alom ana ye ma me mu ntia school fee
okay
yes so mo ka mai so bi bia o ti o na na fa da
that's said there was here see the pono me ho adwure me ntino san komo we udi a ye nkojina party bi achi ni san komo we udi ni said ye be ya we ye nyina ya da achi betimi adi mu abi
nkojina party
de mo majabina party aha na for why yire ho say is as our party we did ye be ka bia the party ni kano ana o kan ti ho no de me nkofa ho but the tiere say e wo say nyina ahwemu yi we say bibia nkoka papa
enye
chirede bia ni ho ebeba ntino we de enya asam bia ese de nkra saba danfoja mixture ojo so tinka say emutwu yi pa anase odi poan so edi unya eboa wo kwanso nkoso ofre number so ya oni eye Dr. Asnod ana Mama Ruby na kasa 0207872155 ana 0246493230 Papa Kobi, good morning. Apom to saying.
I'm only about who.
Okay, it's you.
That person seems to my agony confusion degree. But they percent, we are some people cry. They can share a fire on the first one. I am out for that. So we get my comprehension. You know, when you get the coffee. Dia man dem primera teacher for ni wo mu atuso ombanya wo passport omunyi amanyo semfiri na yen kano papa ye be faso wo ye tuma ye ponko pefia sika wo di bloko ne kwa ye be faso ko ye te ni te ye di ma ankran na se sa te ma wo kate o mo pesom de kra na so de ko ma ankran bi na se anye ye da chi de se ni pa no ko ye kanu basa ana company ni kwa umbe na o mo saka sika se wa aban ko so ano se aban di kwa wonu se kwabia so saba kawaje nti mi sremi ni anu tichafo ni wo mo wo sa wo program se mo ye me ye hwegi ma ye fa ma no se obi pia obi content ana wo so so ni hana bia so de happy e bata ye nya
okay yeah that was it was a pay say also do abakusha be a wrap up ada my card
I say ye fancy hanu a
ye gacho mi
na gacho
gacho
okay gacho ye mo achi mo akwaba
me ni akusia me de mo so na mo te say
radio adom ye nyina ho ye wa hanom my team
abayo denki ami nim kwa cha ni ma me so fanti ari mra wetin
fam
ai ma me tia di
we na o credit asan
chairman na bi me ma me di trike usu amankwa opede piki regional women organizer ono so ma me tia no na akosia na puati edu ko petre sa de member me support na m ko support wa me tane chi pampe ti se ayi kotra ne press up no na de tie ne se teacher for ya sro ma adobro because the tia na obi bu afu ana ka ye wo maimu na teacher for contract na osafo ma afu kan se obema retire soldiers mu akotra de obi amowa ye wo maimu na teacher for contract tie di ne tinki ebu omoto ye ni nyina but aban ye sre o ma adobro na on to niema na tete yankwada no so a wo suku mo ma mra to Israel na doso dodo nti mun kan ye ma mo tan bia nya de okwa open na obenya ni nyina na ban so on thinking ni ta kakra na ahotomre ti bia fere omuma ni nyina nyi fiti no bia ko ma mpem ye ba okwa de open bia nya de obenya ni nyina ta ye fere mo a mo ni nya me nyaduma.
Well, that's some of your messages about quickly. My man can come about down for diabetes. You don't want to say any down for jai mixture. I cut down for jai herbal products. One of the about abontin. When Chibia seminar I did very, and if you want to bomb, be one meaning and over to one some account. Dr. Asnot, Mama Ruby, chairman of pay. I normally wake up around 7 a.m., but you are mine and are doing tea. I wake up around 4 a.m. You are the best. Tuga Multimedia journey. And please wish a sister from another mother, Augustine Lai of Obuasi SDA Hospital, a happy birthday. May God continue to bless her with good health. And the government should tell us the truth that the second-tier pension money has been used for another. From Peter Kofi Otakrade. And good morning, Omayene. It's a birthday wish to my sister, policewoman Donkot Tessano. And this one. Perasa Emmanuel Achim Ankasi, what is President Mahama doing to us? Soon we will write Wasi, so we beg him to, he should pay teachers their salaries. Amine, where's Nanaya Abrefo? He's in Dubai. He will be up this week. I wish my mom, Mercy Apia, Kentampo Yasantua of Kentampo Health Research Center, I wish her long life. Good. And President Mahama doesn't care for Ghanaians. What is going on? Everything's scatter. Poor man suffer. Wow, we are watching 2016. And from Sir Dennis of Mile 14 in Obuasi, please tell the DC of Jacobu, Mr. Deda Apia, to come and check the roads of Mile 14 if it's good for human use. Tell Mami Brunekria Inshira Jampontima that I like her style of reading the news. Some of her descendants from Greece. Some of her descendants from Greece, they have long names. Tell her I want her number. Kwame Osunyane. And my father passed on 2 years ago, and he's a SNIT contributor. Now, where do we go for the benefit? Is it the SNIT office or Flagstaff House? Regards to Enchua of Bekwai Amalfo from Jude Asante Bekwai. And Nanajua Sankregwa, are the teachers still on strike? You just heard it. And I have taught for almost 3 years without pay. All you can hear is we are seeking financial clearance and overstaff from East Achem District, Akosia. And happy birthday to my daughter, Kennetha Sewa Amponsa Thempon. She is 2 years today. And please, sir, kindly tell President Mahama that anything that is going on to be well can be seen as it's moving forward. So he should stop telling us that we should give him more years after 2016 so that he will put the economy on track. The more he stays, the more Ghana suffer. Alhaj Nablido Wakaswa. The government should come out to tell workers he has used the second-tier money to pay judgment debt. Workers will forgive him. And Omayene, your genuineness and objectivity can never be compared with Sule Bawa Ewonima. Auntie Akosia, I like your hairdo. Me catch you say no. Akuya Fox FM say ope. Also be asade aba. Do you tini ma?
No, ayi Dr. Nyako nso wasante mampo.
Do you tini ma na me ni kwini. FAE pa. And me a lot of text messages are trying to get to you. But me catch you unfortunately. Omo de na omo de ba ni na.
Omo bra na me nchiro be bia me no mo.
So let text message be fa me so. Say me fancy Akosia.
Enu ye me ma ne de.
Eku ana. O a o se me no maku.
Adaka brekan we say o jatanu meyi na mo no. Jatanu meyi na mo.
Yeah, the best year they say. Na ya da mu nyina wase. Adam J Fax Adaroma. Wa ye crowd so dey go can see bro. Ye ko.